morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 4 presentation assembly. It's the end of half term and it's Friday the 12th of February and we're here to celebrate all those children who've been working so hard on Chobe, posting things as well on Class Dojo. It's fantastic to see these children working so hard. They are amazing. Look out for your certificates, they'll be coming in the post. Now over to some amazing Year 4s. We are starting in Year 4 with some math stars. Look at these math stars. We've got Mason, Reggie, Mia, Jessica, Jack and Eliza. You absolute superstars. All of you earning your math star certificates. I am so proud of you. It's phenomenal the amount of work that you guys are posting, are getting on there. It is really impressive, guys, because I know even learning from home, you're carrying on with everything that you've been doing in school as well, and I'm so proud of you. So look out, these certificates will be coming in the post, guys. Keep it up. Reggie, smashing smile there, guys. So well done. It's really lovely to see you guys and smiling away with the maths and the amazing amount of maths that you guys are doing and posting as well on Chobe as well. So keep it up, guys. Thank you so much. Moving on for Mr. Pinner's math stars. We've got Alex Jaden, we've got Bentley, we've got Blake, Alex, Ruben, Olivia, Oliver and Gemma. Yes, here are Mr. Pinner's math stars, you superstars. Well done, guys. Amazing maths. You're amazing mathematicians, actually. I know all the work that you are posting on Chobe is phenomenal. So please keep that up every single day because it's fantastic to see. Really well done. And hopefully after half term, we'll carry on with that amazing work as well. But well done, you guys. Well deserved for this half term, working so hard every single day. Keep it up and with really big smiles on your faces. Well done, guys. And thank you. Keep it up. Look out, we've got some English stars. Oh, look at Miss Barrett's English stars. You've got Kobe, Cameron, you've got Bella, Racer, Riley, Alicia, Dylan. Look at the work, guys. It's amazing. Absolutely superb English work going on there this half term. Cameron, who's only just joined us as well, getting a certificate straight away in his first half term. It is amazing. But the work that you guys are doing or posting on Chobe, it is phenomenal, the writing. So really well done. You are all English stars. So proud of you. Look out for your certificates coming in the post, guys. Fantastic effort. Keep it up, guys. Proud of you all. Mr. Pinner's English stars, here we go. Look at these. We've got Abby, Amelia, Harry, Dexter, Dylan, Lily Louise and Layla. Yes, you English superstars. Again, working so hard every single day. You know, posting things on Chobe, getting your work done. It's fantastic to see. I know it's very impressive, and Mr. Pinner is very impressed. And Dexter as well, getting yourself a certificate very early on, who's only just joined us as well. Well done, buddy. A great start to Milecroft Primary School. Well done, everyone. Look out for your certificates coming in the post, superstars. Reading stars now. Not only are these reading stars going to be getting certificates, but they're going to be getting reading books as well. So Reese, Jake, Jessica and Mia, you guys are all getting certificates and reading books coming in the post. It's amazing how much reading you guys are doing every single day. Look at those reading records still. Every single day you guys have been reading. I'm really grateful to see how much hard work you're doing, because actually we keep reading, we keep working hard every single day at our reading. It just keeps us ticking over and helps us with our English. So really well done. Look out for your books. And hopefully we should post a nice picture with you with your reading book and your reading certificate, guys, because it was lovely to see. So enjoy your books when they arrive. And Mr. Pinner's reading stars, look at these for Riley, Alana, Tyler and Ivor. You superstars. Yes, and I know full well that you guys have been reading every single day and are avid readers and you will love your reading. And I really hope as well you enjoy your reading books and your certificates when they arrive. So reading book coming home, posted with your certificates as well. So really do enjoy them. I hope you love your new books and post some pictures of you reading your books over half term to really enjoy them. It'd be lovely to see. So please do let us know how you get on with those. Well done, guys. Huge congratulations, you reading stars. Home learners. Look at these home learners. You've got Kieran for PSHE. You've got Bentley doing end research with Caden as well. Holly with her science. Look at that. Lots of measuring as well. Lots of with her science there. It's amazing. Ellie, spelling shed every single day. It's amazing, Ellie. Well done. Noah, history. Fantastic, buddy. I know you've been working hard on your history. Lily, baking. Look at that baking. I want one of those cupcakes, please. Reserve me one. And Oliver with his handwriting. Honestly, I know this home learning work that's going on there. I know all of Year 4 are very impressed with everything that's going on Chobe and the work that you guys are doing. Well done, guys. Really well deserved. And look out for your certificates winging its way in the post. So they'll be coming this weekend, I hope. And enjoy your half term. Well done, guys. Well done. Ah, look at Mr. Pinners as well for the home. Look at this. We've got scientists here. We've got Claudia, Dylan, Oliver and Michael for your home science. Fantastic. Well done, guys. Keep it up. It's brilliant. You've got historians then. Sophie, Gemma, Botan and Lena working so hard on their history as well at home. We've got a handwriting. So look at Subhan there, down there with handwriting. I know you've been working so hard and you've got the most beautiful, beautiful handwriting. It is phenomenal. And then you've got our PE stars, all those ones keeping fit. You've got Botan, we've got Iva, Olivia and Ruben. Well done, guys. Amazing home learning, whatever that is, whatever the subject is. It is phenomenal to see on Showbie and phenomenal to see all those pictures you guys constantly posting. So keep it up, guys. It's really good to see. So I am really proud of you as Mr. Pinner is, and look out for your certificates coming in the post. You absolute superstars. Well done, everyone in year 4. You are all amazing. That is it. You are absolutely amazing. And Miss Barrett and Miss Pinner are so impressed with you guys and all the work that you are doing. Keep it up. Although it's coming up to half term, so have a nice restful break for a week. We're all saying that, look, we all deserve a break. So have a good break over this half term and pick it up straight away after the second half term. Who knows? You could be appearing again and getting yourself another certificate when it comes towards the end of this term. So really well done, guys. Really proud of you. Until next half term, bye-bye now.